In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set work limits on members in Hubstaff. Setting work limits can be a game changer for managing productivity and ensuring that your team maintains a healthy work-life balance. Let's dive in and go through the process together. To begin, you'll first need to navigate to the Hubstaff dashboard. Once there, look towards the left sidebar, where you'll find various options for managing your organization. Locate and click on the button labeled People. This is where you'll be able to access all the members of your organization. The importance of this step is that it brings up the roster of your team members, allowing you easy access to manage each individual's work parameters. Next, direct your attention to the section called Members. Clicking on Members will display a list of every individual currently associated with your organization on Hubstaff. This is essential as it provides a clear overview of who is on board and ensures you are managing the correct person. Scan through this list and select the member for whom you want to set work limits. Choosing a member can be done by simply clicking on their name. This brings up detailed information about the member, such as their current work status, role, and other employment details. It's a good time to make sure you're viewing the correct member's profile before moving forward. After ensuring you're on the selected member's page, look out for a button marked Actions. This button is typically found on a menu that manages different settings and permissions related to the member. Clicking Actions will present you with multiple options to modify and edit various aspects of the member's account. From the drop-down menu, you'll want to find and click on Edit Limits. It's at this stage where you can define the work limits that best suit this member's workload and productivity goals. The Edit Limits option allows you to set specific time parameters for the member's work periods, creating a structured schedule that promotes efficiency and productivity while avoiding burnout. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can successfully set work limits for your team members in Hubstaff. This feature is invaluable for maintaining team productivity while also ensuring that everyone has a balanced schedule, enabling them to work smarter, not harder. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tutorials.